Do you believe that you can get whatever you think? Possible to get something just by thinking? Hello everyone, I am Upasna and today in this video I am going to review a book for you, and the book name is The Secret. This book is very famous one and a very controversial one at the same time. Many people believe that this book is worth a shot and things happen in this way, but most of at the same time many of them think that these things don't work in this way, and this is not like just giving worth a shot. Before going into that thing whether this works or not, let me tell you what this book is all about. This book is about the law of attraction. Those who don't know what is law of attraction, the law of attraction basically tells you that you can get anything in this world, literally anything in this world, just by thinking about it. And by thinking about it, you just vibe out those energies from your body and give to the universe, and universe attracts those things to you, what you want or what you demand from it. So coming to the book feature, how the book look likes and everything, the book is of 192 pages kind of pages, and 192 in some paperback or some versions that can vary, the number can vary, but still the book is not that much thick. You can see those who are having a hobby of reading can just finish this book in just one go, as I did it in just one day. So the tone of this book, the tone is very casual and very easy English language. So if you are not that much very comfortable with English, or if you don't have that much command in English, still you would be able to get this book in a very easy way. Otherwise, this book is also available in the multiple languages also. You can check out if there is thing works for you. And about the book, if it's interesting or not, yes, this book is very very interesting. The whole of the book is like having the real life stories of many people out there, those stories in which they have told that things, the secret, the law of attraction had worked for them. So this was all about the book. The length of book is very medium kind of size. You can just go in a one go, and the tone is also very casual. The English is easy and interesting. Yes, book is very interesting. Now coming to what is the content of the book. If you will open the book, this is a content page. The whole of the book and the whole purpose of the book is divided into three things, which is around the book is involving. The first thing is ask. You have to ask what you want in your life, and you have to be very accurate and very clear about that thing. For example, you want money in your life, so you have to be very clear that how much money you want. You can't just say to universe, I want a lot of money. You have to say to universe, I want 50,000 money in my life. So similarly, if you are a student and you want marks in your suppose English subject paper, so you have to be very concise and very particular about okay fine universe, I want 70 out of 80 marks, so I want 60 out of 80 marks, and your mind should be very clear of what you are asking from the universe, because you know what you are asking from the universe. So this was first step, and you have to second step is to believe. You have to believe that whatever you have asked from universe will come to you. In that process, you have to think about it, keep thinking about it. So you get up in the morning, you are going for a brush, just keep thinking, okay, I will get 70 marks out of 80. Okay, I will do this kind of hard work, so in this way I will get 70 marks out of 80. Definitely I will get that. So you have to keep thinking about this process. In a day, you come across 60,000 thoughts in a day or something. All your thoughts should be driven in that direction only, so that your universe will respond to your whatever you have demanded. So coming to the last step of this process, the first one was to ask, then to believe, then the third is to receive. You should be ready to receive. You should not be acting like that, okay fine, if I will get 70 out of 80, I will be, oh my god, I won't believe it. No, you should be very calm, very composed, and you should be able to receive that dream of yours from the universe. Your universe will answer you. You should be able to get that hint, and you should be able to make yourself very composed and calm to receive that thing. So this book is all about that actions, that how you think and how you drive all your thought process to get what you demand from the universe. Now coming to the honest opinion of mine, that if you will ask me that if this book works actually, and whether it is whether it's to give a shot and to read about this. So yes, this book has worked actually tremendously wonders for me. Many spiritual gurus or many even the motivational speakers even talk about this positivity kind of thing. This book is actually about positivity. It says whatever you think you will become, and this is a very important thing to know about you. Whatever vibes you are giving out, whatever thinking process you are doing, you will get that thing only. So I think the book is worth a shot. At least you should study about this book at least once in your life. And I will wait for your comment. I will wait for your comments in my comment section to see that if you this book worked for you. But please, for those people who are thinking that this book or this thought process is a substitute for hard work, please no, this is not substitute for hard work. For your 60,000 thoughts in a day to drive in a single direction, you have to actually work in that direction. Only then you can get 60 thoughts in a day in that direction. Suppose if I am saying you that I want 70 marks out of 80 in English subject paper, and if I am not studying at all in a whole day, then somewhere in my thought process I will definitely think this ki okay, I am not studying, how can I get 670 marks out of 80? I think I will not be able to get. Then even a single thought, even a single negative thought will drive the energies out from the process, and universe will not answer your demands. So hard work is the way, plus the positive thinking is the way, and all this book is all about the positive thinking and how you can get everything in this life from the just thinking process. So please put your comments in my comment section to say how you like this book, and stay tuned. Thank you.